A bad friend is like a shadow on a sunny day. Run you want, run away on a cloudy day. Look for it. You won't find it. I can calculate the motion of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. Nature is pleased with simplicity, and nature is no dummy. What we know is a drop. What we don't know is an oaken tack is the neck of making a point without making an enemy. Gravity explains the motion of the planets, but it cannot explain who sets the planets in motion. Truth is ever to be found in the simplicity and not in the multiplicity and confusion of things. No great discovery was ever made without a bold guess. A man may imagine things that are false, but he can only understand things that are true. If I have ever made an valuable discoveries, it has been due more to patient attention than to any other talent. What goes up must come down, and to every action there is always an equal and opposite or contrary reaction. He who thinks half-heartedly will not believe in God, but he who really thinks has to believe in God. Live your life as an exclamation rather than an explanation. You have to make the rules, not follow them to myself. I am only a child playing on the beach. Will vast oceans of truth lie undiscovered before me to explain all nature? Is too difficult a task for any one man, or even for any one age. Plato is my friend, Aristotle is my friend, but my greatest friend is truth. One thing secures us whatever betide. The scripture assured us that the Lord will provide in the absence of any other. Proof the thumb alone would convince me of God's existence. Truth is the offspring of silence and meditation. There are more sure marks of authenticity in the Bible than in any profane history. If others would think as hard as I did, then the world, as a blind man has no idea of colors, so have we no idea of the manner by which they all wise good perceives and understands all things. If I have done great things, it's because I was standing in the close of smart men taking notes and then publishing their ideas as my own. They who search after the philosopher's stone are by their own rules obliged to a strict and religious life. The less money a person has, the more his heart is, the more time and devotion one spends in the worship of false gods. the less he is able to spend in that of the true one, the best and free medicines. Hunger philosophy is such an importantly litigious lady. Ban a man as good as to be engaged in lawsuits as have to do with her. Yeah, sex is cool. But have you tried solving the Pretistron problem in a single night? You